Welcome to my show Trendsetters. Well, I'm again at the interior show in High Tech where students, young students have come up with new concepts, eco-friendly. I mean, you can't imagine the way they have actually created the jhula or the living room, or we talk about the balcony area. So more details about these young girls, young people, the mind behind what was their idea. So I must say, when I was coming, I was just seeing like this jhula, like the kind of background they have given. It's like a, some eco-friendly products they have used. So for more updates, I'll take you to them. And I think I have that girl here who's waiting for me, and we want to explore more about that how they designed and how much time it was taken, and what kind of eco-friendly products they have made and reuses and reinvented into a luxury way. Well, hi and thank you so much for giving a time. Your name is?
Rupika.
Rupika. So give me an introduction, like which,
Yeah, hello.
where are you studying, and which year and all that.
Yeah, hello everyone. Myself Rupika. It's like I'm actually from online batch. So it's been 10 months I have been started all these things, and my exams are not yet done. But in meanwhile, we are subjected to.
So you're a first year student, I can say, or
Yeah,
second?
first year.
First year student.
It's
Okay.
1 year course.
Okay.
Yeah, we are doing this.
So we can say you're a young interior designer.
Yeah.
Upcoming, I must say.
Upcoming, yeah, exactly.
So what is this all about? The space which you have taken, what we call
this
a
is
balcony?
the balcony space. We
Okay.
have trending and it comes under Bohemian theme.
Okay.
So which adds Indian culture, Bohemian, more colorful, brighter, like pop of personality and all.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we can start off with how you have started. Of course, the balcony has to start with plants only.
Plants, yeah.
So what kind of fabric, sitting, and all that, the art and culture.
Abstract
Wow.
pots, and this is completely made of cane.
Okay.
It's like fountain, right?
It's so like, I just thought it's a simple pot, but the way you have worked in
this all cane, made of cane, and this pot is also made by us. With the whole everything, we just took internship of pot making for 1 week.
Okay.
And then according to our dimensions and all, we did this thing.
Wow, so we can put a water and it will not go down?
No, for sure it will not go down.
Wow, I must say,
is
this
the
small things, it's become so nicely and attractive, I must say.
Yes, exactly.
So what are the other things we can talk about, the pots designs?
And the other one is like we have just got the smiling face ka abstract pot.
Okay,
So
they
neutral.
just smile. Okay, smiley pot, I must say. Okay, smiley pot. Okay,
And some other we have, oh god, so heavy.
this is so normal pot you made.
But this is what textured one.
Texture one. Okay.
we only made
They
this.
that I like. What is like the full art and graft?
Yeah, that is made of wood.
Wood.
That is, yeah.
That is a wood. Okay. So next then come, it's your table.
Center table.
Moving?
No, it is not movable.
It's as it is.
As it is.
Normal.
You can sit there. Please have a seat.
Okay, that's okay.
And work also.
Work also, like balcony, sometimes the good weather is there, you can
Yeah,
sit
you
and do
can sit. Yeah, have fun.
It's
here.
fun.
Yeah.
Of course, we can't forget this lamp. That's what sticks. I can see
Yes.
what I want more of detail and design about this.
Generally, we place such cane lights and all in the balcony.
Yes.
So, we just found this, we sketched it so that this art, this curve, all this should be like mirror image of this.
Okay, so what this made up of this woods? Normal wood?
Yeah, cane wood.
Okay, cane wood, not a bamboo
No.
or something. It's a cane wood.
It took us some struggle to do this.
How? What was the struggle?
But finally, I mean, to get out this shape and all.
Okay,
Yeah, but finally we did it.
okay, and then the jhula comes.
And this is the jhula. This is completely made of teak wood.
Teak wood, okay,
And with macrame quill.
okay.
Yeah.
That you have used those old one dhagas, na? Where they used
ये
to.
वाला new, this is new.
Okay.
Macrame से किया था.
Okay.
But then which represents Indian culture.
Okay.
So this you can
More
see
of the chain work.
chain on the work. Yeah, we just put this benches also curved so that children ke liye it will be safe,
Safe. Okay.
not the sharp edges.
But I like this small concept. I want to focus this chatai, the way you have used, you know, this small thing.
Actually, our theme is like bohemian with Indian textile.
Okay.
To just represent it, we used that.
Okay.
All the plants in the balcony.
Plants and this.
Everywhere.
And
we
these
have
two
set of
boxes are also yours?
plants. Yes, these are ottomans.
That you can.
You can sit on it like this.
Okay.
Sit.
And that box is open and
Movable.
you can keep your things
Yeah, we can
placed.
keep our things.
Okay, storage area is also there. So this is also part of balcony?
Yes, yes, of course.
This is like something charpai or
Yeah, generally we used to have this thing in the olden days. But
Yes, the
again-
chairs were there. Old our
Yeah.
Dadaji's and
Dadaji's.
Nanaji used to use this.
yes, again they're back into the trend.
Okay.
Yeah, so we just designed it in the form of capsule.
Okay.
It's a capsule chair.
Okay. Capsule chair.
Yeah.
Okay. So you can just sit here,
Yeah.
sit here and enjoy your book reading.
Yes.
Or you can just relax.
Relax.
You look like it's
Balcony.
full covered.
Yeah.
The privacy part you can have.
Exactly.
Your privacy, one should not disturb you.
Yes.
Really, it's so nice. Yeah. So we call it capsule chair.
Capsule chair.
I mean, I must say the name capsule. How you like kept this name capsule?
See, the shape itself represents the capsule.
Oh yeah. Okay, capsule that way.
Yeah.
Okay. So that's why you kept the name.
Yes. And we have also ottomans over there and a partition there.
Okay. So the part that's normal. But how much big balcony area you need for this
I mean, the
to
space
set up all this?
10 by 10.
Okay.
Yeah.
You can set up a nice balcony.
Nice balcony here.
People always go for a nice bedroom. People always go for a nice kitchen.
Living
People always go for a nice kids room. Then we go for a nice living room.
Living spaces.
But I think going for a nice balcony is very important.
Yes.
Which is actually missing, and now you interior guys are like introducing.
Yes.
So I think nowadays how one can have a nice balcony, students have actually come up with great concept.
it was-
So I must say, I mean, this all is nicely made. So how much time it was taken for you to come up with this concept?
These were all grouped up by our all friends.
Okay.
And nearly it took us 1 month
In 1 month?
because there was separate groups for all this.
Okay.
So we started simultaneously the works, and finally in 1 week, 1 month, we did all the things.
So you already started your work like as an interior designer, I mean professionally you
Yeah.
have started?
Yes.
So what was your first project? Is this your first project?
This was my first.
Okay.
This was first, and few others in other places.
So do you have any dream? Because every interior designer have a dream to design something different. What dream you have?
To show something which is more vintage.
Okay.
Even I like to represent Indian culture.
Okay.
So I just want to bring back our Indian culture into this fashions again.
So do you have a dream to design somebody's house? Like you always
Yeah,
say
yeah.
your favorite hero or like you know a favorite
I just
actress?
want to design my own house.
Okay,
first,
own house.
and later others.
So but you don't have a dream that you like to go for interior designing for that particular house, or actor or some your favorite, their house you want to design?
I feel मेरा तो first होगा.
Okay. And any
next,
actor which you think you would like to go and design their house?
celebrity or
Yeah, celebrity, yeah.
I'm not sure.
No, you don't have any favorite actor or actress?
Actress, so I have Samantha. I
Okay.
think I can.
So I think you never know if she's listening. So this girl is actually wanted to design your house. This
Yes.
girl, Samantha. So you want to design for
Yes.
Samantha.
Yeah.
Okay. So there is no dreams or something. The favorite house, like you have seen some of the celebrity or the anything like the favorite house. You love somebody's house so much.
Yeah, I keep seeing home tours and all in the YouTube.
Okay. Which one is your favorite home tour till now?
I'm not sure, especially for one, but I have seen the home tours.
Okay. So you must have seen some celebrities home tour also, right?
Yeah, I don't
Have you
know the
seen?
name right now.
Okay, so you have seen a home tour but not sure which celebrity you have seen. You love the house.
Yeah.
Okay, chalo, thank you so much, and I think I must say it's a great concept.
Thank you.
And keep going, new startup, nice things.
Yes.
And come up with the new things. I mean, this is also wood or bamboo? I was confused.
This is the bamboo.
Bamboo, yeah. So I think there is a mix of bamboo also is there.
okay.
Chal. Thank you so much
you.
talking to us.
Thank you.
So it was a great chit chat. I love the way they are coming up with new ideas, modern art, culture, traditional, everything is mixed up under one roof. For more updates, keep watching iDream. Till then, goodbye.